Automated Waste Segregator. Introduction. In recent times, garbage disposal has become a huge cause for concern in the world. A voluminous amount of waste that is generated is disposed by means which have an adverse effect on the environment. The common method of disposal of the waste is by unplanned and uncontrolled open dumping at the landfill sites. This method is injurious to human health, plant, and animal life. This harmful method of waste disposal can generate liquid leachate, which contaminates surface and groundwaters, can harbor disease vectors which spread harmful diseases, can degrade aesthetic value of the natural environment, and it is an unavailing use of land resources. What is waste management? Waste management is the generation, prevention, characterization, monitoring, treatment, handling, reuse, and residual disposition of solid waste. There are various types of solid waste, including municipal or residential, institutional, commercial, agricultural, and special or healthcare, household hazardous waste, sewage sludge. The term usually relates to materials produced by human activity, and the process is generally undertaken to reduce their effect on health, the environment, or aesthetics. Waste can be segregated as biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Biodegradable waste are organic waste. Examples are kitchen waste, fruits, vegetables, paper, and leaves. Non-biodegradable waste can be further segregated to recyclable, toxic, and soil. This is the figure of a waste segregator. As you can see, at the top, there is the waste. When the flap opens, the waste falls to the collapsible flap. The sensor sends if the material is biodegradable or non-biodegradable. And then, the collapsible flap will drop the waste material to the proper container. Hello everyone, this is the ladder diagram of my automated waste segregator. As you can see in this ladder diagram, when you push the start button, relay 1 will be triggered and the flap will open, making the waste material fall into the collapsible base. The timer 1 will then start. The flap will remain open for 2 seconds. After 2 seconds, the flap will close. The sensor 1 will then start sensing whether the waste material is biodegradable or non-biodegradable. After the sensor 1 identified the waste material, relay 2 will be triggered and it will make the motor start. The motor will head to the direction of the sensor 2 and the sensor 2 will sense whether the proper container for the waste material is in its proper position. Relay 3 will then be triggered and the motor will stop and the collapsible base will open. The waste material will then be dropped to the container. Timer 2 will start and the collapsible base will be open for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, the collapsible base will close. The relay 4 will then be triggered and the process will repeat itself. This is a fluid sim presentation of my automatic waste segregator. In here, you will see how it works. When you push the start button, the R1 will be triggered and the flap will open, making the waste material to fall into the collapsible base. The timer 1 starts and the flap remains open for 2 seconds. After 2 seconds, the flap will close. The sensor 1 will then start sensing whether the waste material is biodegradable or non-biodegradable. After the sensor 1 identified the waste material, relay 2 will be triggered and the motor will start. The motor will head to the direction of the sensor 2. The sensor 2 will then start and then it will sense whether the proper container for the waste material is in its position. R3 will then be triggered and the collapsible base will open. The waste material in it will fall into the container and the timer will start. The collapsible base will remain open for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, the collapsible base will close. And then, R4 will be triggered and it will make the process to repeat itself.